What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we're going to be installing Visual Autowerks window vents on the Ford Bronco. So if you're unfamiliar with Visual Autowerks, they specialize in making high quality window vents that are easy to install and remove, and they have over 60 vehicle applications, including the Ford Bronco. These window vents are made out of high quality ABS plastic with your choice of black, silver, or brass rivets. They also have an optional mesh insert to keep bugs and debris out when you're off-roading or even camping. These vents are a great way to let fresh air in without having to roll your windows down, as they eliminate any wind turbulence you may experience while daily driving. Start this install by putting the Bronco into accessory mode. Then you can roll the window down, and with the door open and the 4 rivets facing the front, slide the window into the channel on the vent. Be very careful during this part, as improper installation could damage any tint you may have applied. With the vent properly seated, you can roll up the window. Doing so too quickly will cause the window to roll back down, as you see here. So roll it up slowly until you have a secure fit. Once they are in place, lock your windows to ensure they stay put to complete this simple install. So that's going to about wrap up today's video. As you can tell, we were able to install these window vents in just a few minutes, and the installation was super simple. If you guys are interested in picking up a set of your own, we do stock them, and I will put a link for that in the description below. If you like the video, be sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more installs like this, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and if you have anything else to add, feel free to drop a comment. Thanks for watching.